So today we're going to be talking about Experian Boost and kind of talking about my experience with it. So what we're going to be doing is hopping on and showing you what my results were, because I actually made a video here just a couple of months ago on actually going through the sign up process, which I'll have linked down below and at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and jump over here, and on my Experian page, when it comes to the boost feature, you're going to see here I have a credit score of 786. Now that is actually only 2 points less than where I was when I did my original video a couple of months ago. And I've had a lot of people ask me, well, hey, is that temporary? A temporary boost? Is that going to be something that stays on forever? Does it connect with other, credit scores? Like, how does it all kind of come together? So hopefully this answers these questions for you, because this has been something that a lot of people have asked me. And first and foremost, my credit score pretty much stayed the same for the most part. Like I said, it went down 2 points since I actually signed up for this. But I would say overall, it was a pretty easy experience. You can watch my video after this to see how easy it is to sign up. But this score is exclusive to Experian. Experian is one of the 3 major credit bureaus, so they're not necessarily connected to the other 2 so much based off of this feature. So doing the boost on Experian might help your Experian score, but maybe the credit score, or the credit company, I should say, you're going with might be looking at, Equifax or TransUnion, so it might not even do anything for you. But it doesn't hurt, because it's entirely for free to go through that process and sign up, which, by the way, I'll have the link in the show notes down below if you want to sign up. It does help support out the channel, but like I mentioned, I'll also show you at the end how to actually go through that process. But overall, I have no problems with this. It's entirely free. I actually get to see my credit score from Experian entirely for free, because just a heads up, after you sign up, it will ask you if you would like to pay for all the additional features. I always say no. Even when I log in, it still asks me all the time, which is a little annoying, but overall, at the end of the day, getting to see my credit score entirely for free is fantastic, and making sure that nothing looks odd or weird about it. So for me, I liked it. I thought it was fantastic. I know some people are a little hesitant with it. Honestly, these credit companies have so much information already on us. Just giving them access to seeing my bills when it comes to water, electricity, and my phone is not that much different than what they probably already have. I'm just glad that it helped me get a boost to help me increase the chances of getting better rates when it comes to interest on any loans that I want to get in the future as well. So now that you kind of understand a little bit more about Experian Boost, I want you to check out my video here on the tutorial sign up so you can learn how to go through that process as well. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.